Hi guys, and welcome back to the Auto Talk YouTube channel. So for this video, it's quite an exciting video for myself and for Auto Talk because I'm going to be showing you our new shop car. So the R8 is now gone, so that got sold over Christmas time, and we have replaced it now with something even, well, as equally as special, I think. So what we'll do is let you show you what it is, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about it and what our plans are. Okay, so this is it. I'm super excited to show you my new car. A 1990s Subaru Legacy RS. What do you think? How cool is that? Let's take it for a drive. Only kidding. This isn't my car, but it's really cool. Let me show you our real car. Okay, so there it is. This is our 2020 Audi RS6 Avant, and yeah, super happy with it, super happy with it. So I bought it a couple of weeks ago, and it came to me like it looks now. So it's got the 20-inch HF2 Vossen wheels on it. It's got some side skirts on it, front splitter, and it is subtly lowered as well. It's got a Miltech exhaust on it. Apart from that, tuning wise, it's totally standard. So we've got some good plans for this car coming up. What we want to do is, because it's the Audi RS6 C8 model, we want to do our tuning platform on this. So we're going to start with stage one. We'll take it to the dyno, do our stage one on it, get the results, and then we're going to take it up to a stage two. So yeah, that's the plan so far. We may go further in the future. If there's anything you guys want to see us do to the car, or how we do it, by all means, drop some comments below, and we'll try and make it happen for you. But yeah, like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.